So today, folks, we're doing a new building and construction inspection, and this is a brand new home. But this is why this is why you got to get a brand new home inspection. Look at this. So this is my heat pipe, here. This is my ductwork coming out of here for heat and cooling. But you see how it's coming down here. Now we have to get down around like that to get that, to get over underneath my joist here. But look here. See how it continues to drop, and you can see by looking at the above my hanger to my joist, how it continues to literally go down and down and down and then back up. Look at my distance here from my ductwork to my jet rafter, my floor joist, and then look here, see there, and you see here. Now you can, so you don't even need a level to actually be able to tell this. This is what you're looking for. This is not good. Well, thank you for watching our video, folks. This is why on new construction, you need to hire somebody like us that actually has built and does know what's right and what's wrong. Most of these building inspectors, they've never built anything. They're lucky they built a dog house or bird house for the bird brains. Anyway, folks, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Thanks for watching our videos. Galloway Building Services.